One of the most important steps, yet most commonly neglected when replacing the fuel pump, is the cleaning of the fuel tank. Failure to clean the fuel tank and install a new filter could allow contaminants to enter the pump and void the warranty. Contamination is the leading cause of fuel pump failure. Fuel contaminants like dirt, rust, and/or debris are a primary cause of in-tank fuel pump failures and may cause a replacement pump to fail prematurely. To ensure a successful installation, all components must be cleaned and kept clean throughout the entire process. The estimated time to clean a tank is only 30 to 45 minutes, 75 to 90 if we include the drying time. So let's take a look at the steps to clean the fuel tank. The first step is to drain all the fuel from the tank. And of course, we use only an approved container or fuel caddy to filter and store the fuel. We're then going to clean any accumulated road debris or rust from the top of the tank, especially around the modular hanger assembly, to avoid contaminants going inside the tank. We're then going to swish the fuel around in a circular motion to collect any remaining fuel and obviously any remaining debris. Once that is done, we will slowly and carefully pour out any remaining fuel into our container. And our final step will be to take the tank and turn it over and tap the bottom to remove any debris. At that point, we are ready to go inside with some dish soap and water and clean the inside of the tank. Once we pour the soap and water out, we're going to wipe the inside of the tank clean with a lint-free shop towel. Our next step is to go in with an air hose and dry the rest of it with compressed air. Once we have it nice and clean inside, we can go inside and inspect the tank carefully. Obviously, we're going to repair or replace if there is any sign of damage or rust inside the fuel tank. Once that procedure is done, we'll allow the tank to sit for a minimum of a half an hour after it's been dried. If we do the job successfully, what this will ensure is the fuel pump will go into a clean gas tank, and the customer as well as the fuel pump replacement will have years of trouble-free service.